So this tutorial is going to be a quick and easy makeup look. First, we'll start out with primer, and this is a totally optional step. This foundation primer helps to retain moisture, filters out blue light pollution, and also blurs out skin texture. I love using eyeshadow sticks because it makes doing my makeup quick and easy. I can just scribble it on and blend it out with my fingers. In addition, I can use it as an eyeshadow base and layer other eyeshadows on top, or just set it as is with a setting powder. I really love my Cover FX foundations because a little bit goes a long way, it's got a medium to full coverage, and it's also waterproof. If you're like me, I have a really hard time finding my perfect shade, so I usually have to mix. G40 is my winter shade and G60 is my summer shade, so I'll mix them for the in-between season. So I'm just using my fingers to evenly distribute the foundation throughout my face, and then using a dampened beauty blender, I'm just going to press it into my skin to create an airbrush-like finish. I love using the beauty blender to blend everything in. I don't like to use it to necessarily apply the foundation because it picks up a lot of product. Hence, you have to dampen the sponge. Now I'm going to go in with my Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Custard. I love this product because it's brightening, it's got a soft focus finish, and it's also hydrating for the delicate under eye area. The doe foot applicator makes it really easy to apply right in the inner corner where I see a little bit more of that darkness. And then I'm going to take that same beauty blender and just bounce it up and down underneath my eyes and bring it out to the tops of my cheekbones. And now to set everything with the Hourglass Veil Setting Powder. Hourglass is one of my favorite clean vegan lines that are out there. It blurs texture, it's non-drying, so it's great for even those with dry skin, and it's got a beautiful natural finish. And now I'll show you a trick with bronzer. I'm going to use the Nars bronzer in Laguna. It's got a beautiful golden undertone to it, and it's flattering on anybody from light to medium skin tone. So I'm just taking my angled blush brush, going in with the bronzer, and I'm going to place it right along my cheekbones, on my forehead, and then also along my jawline, basically wherever the sun hits. And this helps to create a really soft contour, but also warms up my skin, giving me back dimension to my cheeks. Next, I'm going to take an eyeshadow blending brush and go in with that same bronzer, place it in the outer corner of my eye and into the crease. Yes, this can double as an eyeshadow. For blush to add a hint of color. And this color is the Nars blush in Orgasm, which is a cult favorite. It's a beautiful coral shade with a brightening gold shimmer. Taking this blush color onto my eyeshadow blending brush and working it into the crease. By using bronzer and blush as eyeshadows, you can cut down on the amount of product you use and also really tie the look together. And then I'm taking that blush color onto the apples of my cheeks and blend it back towards my ears. Now it's time to curl my lashes using the Uemera eyelash curler. This is an important step to really opening up the eyes by lifting the lashes upwards and out of the eye frame. Now I'm going to define my lashes and add more volume by using the MAC Extended Play Permeate Lash Mascara. This is the only mascara that will keep my lashes curled without it having to be waterproof. to define my brows by brushing them up and back with the Anastasia Clear Brow Gel. I haven't really worn lipstick in a long time, but I decided to try out this Maybelline Ultimate lipstick in More Buff. It's a really pretty natural pink shade with a non-drying matte texture. And last but not least, I'm going to set everything with the Skindinavia setting spray to ensure that this look will stay on all day. That's it for this quick and easy look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!